You had a hiccup in your insurance estimating quoting.
All my insurance is on like different, policies, but it's kind of under the same umbrella. So I had this huge insurance bill at the beginning of the year, and that's how I set it up that I could just pay for the beginning of the year, and then I don't have to worry about it, for the rest of the year. I thought I paid all the properties, and I just got a huge bill from properties that I bought last year at the end of the year.
For this current year or for next year?
It would go into next year, but I thought it was all under the same umbrella.
So you thought you paid it in January?
Yeah.
You have to pay January, February again for the other set too?
Yeah.
How much do you have to pay right now that you did not expect to pay?
$2,700.
Doesn't sound like a lot of money.
When you paid like $20,000 in insurance throughout the year, I thought that covered for the whole year.